Philippine National Police is, of course, ang mandato ng Philippine National Police is to ensure a safe community. Ano? We enforce the law, we maintain peace and order, public safety. Okay. Ang eskwelahan natin ay member of the community. Of course, tutulong tayo sa mga opisyales ng DepEd at other training institutions and or lugar ng mga paaralan. Okay. Ginagawa naman natin yon at dire-diretso. Kanya nga lang, we need to have some programs and activities that is more proactive and kaukulan na madinay yung karahasan and or mga activities doon or incident na napupunta sa panganib ang kalagayan ng ating mga estudyante or school. For example, we have some visibility, we increase coordination and engagement, and of course, other activities tulad ng napag-usapan natin or ginagaya natin sa ibang bansa, kung ano yung mga best practices na yan.